Yan na. Ito na yun.
Oh, can it be that you're here with me? Let's start writing our own history. Let's take this road, oh, this winding, winding road. Let's just take the long way home. You've got me running in circles. I don't ever wanna slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. Nothing but sunshine.
Inuman session, ganyan, syempre college days. Tapos doon kami nagkita. Tapos medyo misteryoso kasi siya. Tapos singkit, gusto ko singkit. Tapos lumapit ako. Sabi ko, anong gusto mo sa girl? Tapos sabi niya, Miss ano daw, mainhin daw, Maria Clara. Hindi naman ako.
Haven't felt like this for a long, long time. You've got me running in circles. I don't ever wanna slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. Just keep going round, going round. Got me spinning in circles. Oh, just going round, going round. You've got me, you've got me, you've got me spinning in circles.
Standing here today, I am filled with love and gratitude and joy. From the moment we met, I knew you were someone special. You are my best friend, my confidant, and the love of my life.
Okay, I would just like to say para sa aking kapatid, kaibigan, at laging maasahan na katuwang sa serbisyo. Masaya kami kasi mag-iisang dibdib na sila ng aming kaibigan si Jem. Tol, alagaan mo yun ha. Sasakalin kita. Congratulations and best wishes. Yay! Kampay! Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Yes.
Nagustuhan ko kay Love, sobrang sweet. Sobrang sweet niyan. Kinakantahan pa ako niyan eh. Yung yung My Universe, ganyan. Tapos magkahag pa kami, gano'n. Thank you for everything, my love. Thank you kasi you never leave me. Inayos natin ang mga problema at mas pinipili natin mahalin ang isa't isa.
I will love you with the deepest of my heart. I promise to be with you on the best and the worst. I will be on your side holding you as tight facing challenges. You will never be alone anymore.
At mamahalin kita araw-araw. Ayun, I love you. And see you later. Mamaya ka sa akin.
Congrats sa iyo. Next chapter ng buhay mo.
Cheers!
Pinipigilan namin.
And suddenly the world isn't as lonely now. When you look at me, you know I can't come Let me take your hand, ruin all your plans. I hope you understand that I want you, or I want nothing at all. I wanna be there to catch all your tears as they fall. And I wanna hold you while you go to sleep. And when I wake up, you're the first thing I need. I want you tonight, and for the rest of my life.
This vow is surely will not be enough to guarantee my love, but I can show it to you day by day of our time. Maraming salamat sa iyo, mahal. Mahal na mahal kita.
Don't know how you did it. Give me your heart, I'll take it. I won't break it. I won't lay you down.
Sana masabaan mo pa ang pasensya mo sa akin. Matupad natin lahat ng mga plans natin hanggang pagtanda. At patuloy mo pa rin akong mahalin tulad nung umpisa hanggang dulo. Mahal na mahal kita, love. This is it.
And I wanna hold you while you go to sleep. And when I wake up, you're the first thing I need. I want you tonight, and for the rest of my